80 up the middle. 80 up the middle, 2 left long, 130. Long, 3 left long. So we're in KAZINCBARCIKA in Hungary, and god damn it is warm. Temperatures are right now like 37 degrees.
37 degrees and it's what, 7 o'clock in the evening?
Yeah, it is very warm. I've sweat in places I've never sweat before.
melty weather for little Irish people.
We just had a little signing session there.
Just finished.
In this little square. It's a lovely place.
It's beautiful. Throw up that thing there down.
Now, so if it could just be a wee bit cooler for the rally, would be sorted. I might go get in this fountain. Stand out in the rain to cool down. sweating already and we haven't even started rallying.
My sweat's sweating.
And the ironic part is this has been the coolest day it's been so far since we got here. It's 25 degrees and it's gonna get up to about 33 I think later in the day, so it's hot.
It's hot. They're going through an unusually hot heat wave here in Hungary, but we must have brought good weather with us. It'll be fun, the tyres will definitely melt tomorrow.
Just roast the Irish people.
Yeah, the cable just snapped. Or else pull through one of the two.
Oh, how are you gonna gear?
No, it's alright. As long as we're not go for
Oh, right, it's just, oh, okay. For fuck's sake. 80 to 4 right long. 80, 4 right long, 40. 4 right long, 40 to 3 left. To 3 left, 60. To 3 left, in, 40. 3 left, in, 40. To 4 right long. 4 right long, 200 through bridge. 200 through bridge, 1 left. 1 left, 40, 3 right in. 3 right in, 100 dish cane. 100 dish cane, 3 bail right after. Cane, 3 bail right after. 100, 2 right. 2 right, 170. 170 to 3 right in, 300. Long, 100, 5 left long, tightens early. 5 left long, tightens early. 43 right. 43 right, 60. 3 right, 60. 7 right over gravel, slippy. 7 right over gravel, it's slippy. 80.
Oh, yes, it's slipping.
Oh!
It's slipping. Good 60 to Q terminal right. 40, 2 left, 300, do chicane. 2 left, 300, 3 bend chicane right after. 3 bend chicane right after. 80.
Oh goddamn, it's hot. My top is actually soaking with my own sweat. It's now what, 32 degrees?
Feels like 72.
And we've had a queer eventful first loop. Go on, tell them what you've done.
Well, I did my usual. I had the last chicane, stage 1.
Frank.
Luckily, they're just road car tyres, so they're easy to knock out of the way. Small dent in the door, that'll kick out no problem. Second stage a bit worse. We were lucky. We about 3/4 way through, square right at the junction, and it's onto what we call white asphalt here, which is really slippy stuff. And on top of that, there was a little bit of gravel on the road. So Frank swapped in, went backwards into a ditch, closed the exhaust, but there's enough for the pressure to get out, and that spectators got us back out on the road and away we went again. So stage 3 was relatively okay. We just put on road tyres for it, and they're always a squealing and all two balloons.
The tight square left or reveals. Holy fuck. 65 right long. 5 right long, 130.
But we've got through it now. We broke the cable release on the gearbox, so it can't get in neutral or reverse, so we'll try and get that fixed in service. Apart from that, all's good.
Apart from that, and I dropped my bloody phone out through the door on the way down the road section.
I wasn't going to tell them about that.
I opened the door to get some air and my phone slid off my lap and fell down the road, so we'll try and have less handles maybe now for the next loop. Lada. 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 Ladas. That's good.
On 5 right, 40. 5 right, 40. 4 left, 6 right long opens. 4 left, 6 right long opens to 3 right long. 6 right long opens to 3 right long. 63 left, 60 again. Right, 4 black left, 45 left, 5 left, middle crest, into 3 right, 63 left, 3 right, 63 left, 65 left around the rocks, 5 left of the rocks, 40, open hairpin right, 80 up the middle, open hairpin right, 80 up the middle, 80 up the middle, 2 left long, 130. 2 left long, 130 to 4 right. 4 right. 60, 2 left long. Full hairpin right and chevron. 60, full hairpin right and chevron. 40, 6 right, into full hairpin left, 3s inside. Full hairpin left, 3s inside. 40, 3 left long long. 3 left long long, 130. Brake before crest, sudden 5 left. Brake before crest, sudden 5 left. Sudden 5 left, 42 right, 170. 2 right, 170. Does circle triple caution, brake 5 right, sudden hairpin left. Circle triple caution, brake 5 right, sudden hairpin left. 100. 100, full hairpin right. Full hairpin right. Full hairpin right, 60. 3 right, 130. 3 right, 130. They're braking into 7 right. Braking into 7 right. right, it falls away. Braking early for a hairpin right, it falls away. 130. 130 to 6 left on 7 left. 6 left on 7 left. On 7 left, 2 right. 7 left, 2 right. 100, 2 right. 40, 2 right again, 60. 1 left over crest.
I don't think I've ever been more glad to finish a rally.
That was tough now, very enjoyable but tough. Tough on man and machine and woman as well. I've definitely rallied to higher temperatures, but there's something stifling about the heat here and maybe the lack of a wind. It leaves it very difficult. Tough job staying hydrated, but we managed it. Keeping the car under temperatures as well was a bit of hard work, but Baby Blue never let us down. She did fantastic. We had a really good rally, really enjoyed it. Loads of spectators. The Hungarian Lada men were everything I expected. Just crazy people. Fantastic drivers, great comrades, great people to rally with. The amount of Ladas that are stuck in hedges and stuck in trees and off the road, just unbelievable. I've never seen as many cars wrecked in my life. So hats off to them. They leave nothing behind, but good to get a blue Escort home in one piece. Happy days.